With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is about the assertion reason. Assertion is IUT is transfer of embryo with more than 8 blastomeres into fallopian tubes. Reason is IUT is very popular method of forming embryos in vivo. So we have to find out whether assertion reason true or reason is the correct explanation, or both are true, reason is not correct explanation. If one is true, other is false, if both are false. So first of all, we will understand what is the IUT. IUT, that is known as the intrauterine transfer. Intrauterine embryo transfer. Intrauterine embryo transfer. So this technique is one of the we can say that the method, associated method, that is being used with the IVF. IVF is the in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization, this method is being used in case of the couple who are unable to conceive naturally. So in vitro fertilization occur. Gametes from male and female partner, they are taken from the their body, respective body, and they are being fertilized outside. Here fertilization takes place outside the body, or we can say that the under in vitro condition fertilization takes place. Then after this fertilization, zygote is being formed. Then when zygote is being formed after fertilization, when zygote or early embryo that is being transferred to the fallopian tube. Early embryo means up to 8 blastomeres. Early embryo, that is up to 8 blastomere divisions, cleavage has been occurred. It is being transferred into the fallopian tube. This could be one method. This method is known as the transfer to fallopian tubes of the female. And this method is called as the ZIF, that is zygote intrafallopian transfer. So it could be in this way, or other method is after fertilization. Early zygote is being formed. Here we can write it. After fertilization, zygote is being formed, and then zygote that is being allowed to form the embryo under in vitro condition. Embryo, when it turns, it is not the early embryo, it is embryo with more than 8 blastomeres. Embryo, that is when it is having the more than 8 blastomere, when it is being formed, then it is being directly transferred into the or inserted into the uterus of the female. It is being transferred into the uterus of the female, and this method is known as the IUT, that is intrauterine transfer. Here basic technique is same in both the cases, that is the IVF. Firstly, in vitro fertilization takes place, then after it will be decided if the embryo with more than 8 blastomere it is being transferred into the uterus, that is known as a IUT. Otherwise, when it is being transferred into the fallopian tube, it is known as a ZIFT, that is zygote intrafallopian transfer. Here assertion is IUT is transfer of embryo with more than 8 blastomeres into fallopian tube. This is incorrect. Intrauterine transfer, this is very much clear from its name itself. Transfer is into the uterus, not the fallopian tube, so incorrect. IUT is very popular method of forming embryos in vivo. This is also incorrect. Embryos are formed outside the body, that is in vitro condition. Fertilization occur in vitro, embryos are formed in vitro, then fetus formation, that will be in vivo. So both assertion and reason, both are false. Here we can see that option D is correct. Rest 3 are the incorrect option. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.